Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about my favorite drink, which I actually drink almost every day. It's basically lemon juice with sea salt and just water. Let's talk about it. You've probably seen people start their day with lemon water, or maybe in a glass bottle, maybe after a morning walk, but when you add a small pinch of sea salt to it, something changes. The simple blend, lemon juice, salt, and clean water, turns into a natural electrolyte drink. It supports hydration, digestion, and even the balance of your cells. Today, let's explore what's really happening inside that glass through chemistry, biology, and a bit of common sense. Lemon juice is about 5 to 6% citric acid. That acid isn't harsh, it's what gives lemon its cleansing, refreshing taste. When it enters your body, citric acid binds to minerals like calcium and magnesium, forming citrate compounds that are easier for the body to use. Lemon also contains vitamin C, about 7 to 10 milligrams per tablespoon. That's around 10% of your daily value in just a small squeeze. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It shields your cells from oxidative stress and helps your body make collagen, that protein that keeps your skin and tissues firm. Then there are flavonoids, plant compounds like hesperidin and eriocytrin. They've been shown to reduce inflammation, improve lipid metabolism, and protect the liver from oxidative damage. Now here's a paradox. Lemon juice tastes acidic, but once it's metabolized, it produces alkaline byproducts. Inside the body, citrate converts into bicarbonate, which gently raises your internal pH. So that morning glass might taste sour, but its long-term effect is actually balancing inside your gut. Now, when people hear salt, they think sodium, but unrefined sea salt is far more than that. It's a crystalline mixture of minerals, magnesium, potassium, calcium, zinc, even tiny traces of iodine and selenium. Every one of those minerals plays a role in the electrical system of our body. They keep fluids balanced inside and outside of your cells. They help nerves send signals and muscles contract properly. When you sweat, you lose both water and salt. Replacing only water can dilute sodium levels in the blood, a condition called hyponatremia. A pinch of sea salt prevents that, restoring electrolyte balance naturally. Magnesium, in particular, supports over 300 enzyme reactions, and the ratio of sodium to potassium maintained by that pinch of salt helps control blood pressure and water retention. In other words, the salt isn't just for flavor, it's information, a mineral message your cells understand. Now, here's where the magic, the science, really comes in. When citric acid from the lemon meets the minerals in the salt, it forms mineral citrates. These are the same kinds of compounds used in medical electrolyte formulas and even in the kidney stone prevention because they bind excess calcium and help the kidneys flush it out safely. This mild acidity also stimulates the stomach's production of digestive juices, preparing your body for food and improving nutrient absorption. Now, meanwhile, vitamin C enhances the absorption of non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plants. So if you drink lemon salt water before a meal, it can subtly improve your body's iron uptake. The taste itself plays a role too. The sourness activates salivary glands, signaling hydration. That signal travels to the brain's reward centers, releasing small pulses of dopamine, your body's way of saying, yes, this is good, keep drinking. It's actually pure and simple chemistry, but it's also biology and behavior working together in one simple ritual. Now, you might ask why I always prefer a glass bottle. You might wonder why emphasize glass. Well, because glass is inert, it doesn't react. Plastic bottles, when exposed to sunlight or heat, can release microplastics and bisphenols, chemicals that mimic hormones and interfere with the endocrine system. Studies show that water stored in plastic can contain thousands of microscopic plastic fragments per liter. These particles are invisible, but over time they add up. Glass, on the other hand, keeps the chemistry pure. It holds the drink without changing it. And here's something symbolic about that: transparency, clarity, simplicity. Now, here's a small instructional video of what I do. I take 2 lemons, a teaspoon of sea salt, and a 1 liter glass bottle. I add the lemon juice, then the teaspoon of sea salt, and I just fill it with normal tap water. Okay, it tastes amazing. How to make the drink of the gods: 2 lemons, this is the lemon juice. You should always prefer a glass bottle. 1 teaspoon, sea salt. Add it to the bottle. Now fill it with water. You got drink of the gods. So that's the science of lemon, salt, and water. It's not a detox myth, it's not a miracle cure. It's just simple, grounded chemistry that happens to align beautifully with how our bodies are built. You're giving yourself antioxidants, electrolytes, and gentle alkalinity, all from natural elements that have existed since the beginning of life on Earth. Sunlight grows the lemon, the sea forms the salt, the clouds return it all as rain, and you, standing there with a glass of bottle in your hand, you're a part of the same cycle. Sometimes balance doesn't come from complexity, it comes from remembering what's essential. Just lemon, salt, and water. Simple chemistry, simple life. Thanks for watching, guys.